To make your morning brighter, you need to call a rainbow and pet a magic unicorn. For the first idea, you need a white sock and some rice. Put the rice in the sock. Hot glue it shut. The rest is a soft, shapeless chair. Make a horn out of light clay. Wind a wire around it in a spiral. Hot glue the horn to the chair. Decorate it with small flowers. Draw eyes with black acrylic paint. Add white highlights. Draw a nose. This beanbag chair will look great in a unicorn lover's room and make your Barbie so happy. If only she could ride a real unicorn through a magical forest of flowers. And now, let's cook with the rainbow. You will need round molds and some gelatin. Put the gelatin in a small amount of hot water. Stir it with a wooden stick. Cut a disposable cup and add coloring. Add the gelatin. Stir. Make some more multicolored jellies. Cover a plate with saran wrap and put the molds on it. Fill them with the colorful gelatin. Put them in the refrigerator until they set. Take the jellies out of the molds. Put them in a pyramid. Wow! It's a whole rainbow cake! Decorate it with colorful sprinkles. Place a sugar butterfly on top. Barbie is so happy! She has never had a dessert this colorful before. Mmm, delicious! It's irresistible! And now take a white microfiber cloth. Cut out a circle with ears. Draw a horn with curls on a piece of gold foam paper. Cut it out. Fasten it to the back of the napkin. Glue brown eyelashes. Get some sparkly stars. Put hot glue on the ears. Pour stars on the glue layer. Do the same with the second ear. Take multicolored markers. Draw rainbow bangs in the shape of a triangle. You made a cozy bedside rug for a real princess! This cute little rug will create a magical atmosphere in the room and will keep Barbie's feet warm. And now you need a small box and a silver cord. Hot glue pieces of cord to the box. Make a little backpack. Take some tape. Seal the bottom of the backpack. Cut out pieces like these out of shiny foam paper. Glue the horn and the ears. Hot glue on flowers. Glue brown eyelashes. It looks like our doll is crazy about her new backpack. After all, she can take it to school, for a walk, or even on a picnic. Cute and very practical. This time you will need a cap from a plastic bottle. Remove the ring. Cut out ears and a horn from shiny foam paper. Hot glue the pieces to the ring. Glue a thread to the inner walls of the ring. Attach googly eyes. Decorate it with colored bangs. Fasten colored mini pom-poms. Glue a strand of pink hair at the bottom. Add decorative strings. Cut off the excess. The result is an unusual dream catcher in the form of a unicorn. Hang it on the wall. It looks very beautiful. What could be better than creating the magic of style and comfort all by yourself? And now take a piece of plastic and a colorful whisk. Cut the wire at the base using pliers. Hot glue the pieces crosswise. Glue a frame out of 4 pieces of wire. Draw sectors on the plastic. Cut them out. Fasten them to the frame with hot glue. Glue a ribbon to the bottom. Decorate the top with foam paper flowers. Glue a handle. Draw closed eyes with a black permanent marker. Hot glue on a sparkly foam paper horn. Glue the ears. A unicorn-style umbrella will protect your doll from rainy weather and make her smile even on the rainiest day. For this idea, you need a box from Tic-Tacs and sparkly foam paper. Cut off the bottom of the box. Cut out clouds, a horn, and 2 hearts out of the foam paper. Glue the parts together. Attach pink hearts instead of cheeks. Draw eyes and a mouth with a black marker. Apply hot glue to the box. Attach the unicorn. Insert foam paper walls. The result is a cute organizer for mini office supplies. It will hold all your tiny pens, pencils, and other doll accessories. A tiny cloud smile keeps your table organized and brings positive vibes to your life. And now you need a spiral notebook and fake hair. Cut off the excess with a box cutter. Apply universal glue to the cover. Fasten the hair. Cut it to the shape of the notebook. Glue on a horn made out of sparkly foam paper. Decorate it with a flower crown. Fasten ears and shiny eyelashes. The unicorn notebook is ready to bring you joy. Holy rainbow! It's so cute! Just look how soft and warm it is! For another idea, you will need an old plastic pencil case. Cut out a piece from it. Attach a strip of shiny foam paper. Make a cup with a utility knife. Add a silver cord to make handles. Draw round eyes with a permanent marker. Coat a glass with lotion and draw a horn with hot glue. Color it with pink acrylic paint. Cover with clear nail polish. Sprinkle the fresh layer of polish with pink glitter. Glue the horn to your purse. Decorate it with pearls. Unicorns can't deal with boring routines, so Barbie's new purse looks bright and unusual. She can't wait to show her new accessory to her friends. For this idea, you will need 2 hair ties and a piece of soft fleece fabric. Cover the hair tie with hot glue. Fasten the piece of fabric. The result is a fur slipper for Barbie. Make the second slipper and take a strand of pink hair. Glue a tail to the slipper. Trim it. Bend it like this. Decorate the slippers with a golden horn with ears. Draw eyes, cheeks, and a mouth using a marker. Look at these funny fur unicorns! Barbie loves her new home slippers! And she feels so warm and cozy wearing them. For the next idea, you need a pencil. Cut the tip. Use a box cutter to shape the pencil into a horn. Now, take some light clay. Knead the white clay and make a large tail. Fasten it to a pencil. Attach pink bangs to the ball. Sculpt ears. Insert a gold horn made out of foam paper between the ears. Color the pencil with a yellow marker. Draw a waffle pattern. Draw eyes with a black capillary pen. Unicorn ice cream is ready! You can draw or write down important information with this mini pencil. Just don't accidentally confuse it with real ice cream. Next, take an old silicone case and a dried glue stick. Remove the cap from the glue. Draw circles on the case. Cut them out. Take pink acrylic paint. Cover the pieces with it. Decorate it with a gold cord. Add a gold horn with ears. Use hot glue. Glue pink rhinestones. Draw closed eyes. Also decorate the caps with eyelashes. Unicorn dishes are super fashionable components of doll tea sets. Barbie has wanted a cute unicorn tea set for a long time. And although dolls don't drink rainbow nectar, this new set of dishes will make even ordinary tea much tastier. For this idea, you will need pieces of sparkly foam paper of all the colors of the rainbow. Cut out arcs from the sheets. Hot glue the parts of the rainbow. Cut a sheet of soft pink foam paper into a cloud shape. Fasten the rainbow. We gotta have fluffy pom-poms! Hot glue pom-poms to the rainbow base. Print funny unicorns and cut them out. Glue them to the rainbow. This is so cute! Now Barbie has a photo backdrop that all her friends would love to have. Even a plain selfie will look magical in front of this rainbow background. Rainbow unicorns always cheer you up. For this craft, you will need a sheet of foam paper and a mirror. Cut out a horn and ears. Cut out the silhouette of a unicorn in the middle. Color the ears with a pink marker. Cover the horn with nail polish and dark sparkles. Sprinkle it with purple glitter. Apply hot glue along the outline. Attach a decorative cord. Glue the mirror from the back. This wall mirror is perfect for real unicorn lovers. Barbie looks fantastic in her new fabulous mirror. Did you like our ideas? Comment below which one you want to try. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you don't miss even more videos about unicorns on Troom Select.